There, welcome to my channel. These are the front caps for the Qashqai, the towing eye caps. Okay, so they come over here. If you lose them, or if the car takes a bang, then these things just pop out. Now you notice I've got two of them because I ordered one of them for the Qashqai, and apparently they're slightly different for the Plus 2. So this one, in 1 second, we're gonna have to look at it. This one here is one that I ordered off eBay just for a Qashqai, and this one here, which looks exactly the same, is ordered off direct from the Nissan. Now both have been spray painted by myself using a plastic spray. So I'm going to show you the difference, right? So this is the Qashqai one, and here's the problem: is it doesn't seem to fit nicely. So this is the one, and as I said, it looks absolutely identical. The only difference you can tell is this one's got the Nissan code is MT4110BR00A, same as that one, but at the bottom here is PP-EPDM plus T less than 1, when this one says less than 2. So I am now going to position that. This one seems to fit a little bit better than this one, which is kind of pushed up against the edge. So I'm going to tap this one in and see how it all ties in. And there we go. I don't know if that actually feels nice. It feels like it's not fitting correctly. So I'm going to tap a wee bit more. Still feels like an add-on. I don't know if that's correct. It fits there nice. I don't think this is taking any distortion at all, but certainly I can feel that that's not sitting nicely at all. So with that in mind, I might as well just take it off, and because it's not sitting nicely, I want to see what's going on. I'm going to clip it in that way. Yep, there's the reason why you have to clip it at the bottom first and then fit it on. So you can't just bash it in any way. It has to be clipped on that. Now that looks like a nice fit. So don't bash them in. It goes down and back. And I still think this is slightly different. I may have fitted this one incorrectly. Worthwhile actually just trying that one out. But I think this bumper is slightly different. Brilliant. Thank you for watching.